Мадярка Старсак. Латвия, правительство любит во время экономический кризис тратить деньги на большой лампочка, весь город включается, люди радуются. Вот почему сегодня в этот теплый и светлый вечер я приходить на лучший фестиваль мира Старо-Рика и на День независимости Латвии. День добрый. What we have today here?
We have Latvian freedom proklamācijas diena. I don't know.
You can Latvian because I know a little bit. Labvakar es nedaudz. Yes. So what is this?
Šodien ir Latvijas proklamēšanas
neatkarības proklamēšanas diena.
Yes.
Latvian language.
And what you do?
We are standing here and this is advertisement for Light Festival.
So this advertisement for this
This all festival.
Freedom Day.
Yes.
Ko jūs darāt šodien?
Ko es daru?
Jā.
Dāvinu.
Jūs stāvināt?
Jā.
Jā.
Lūdzu. Arī gribat?
Jā.
Lūdzu.
Jums ir vēl kādas citas valstis?
Nē, tikai Latvijas.
Tas ir tāpēc, ka jūs tavinējat visas?
Jā, jā.
Do we see many patriots today here?
Yes, there is some.
You are a patriot?
Yeah, I am.
Yes. You was in this army,
No, I hadn't.
but why?
I'm too young.
How much?
I'm 19.
19, but you look strong, very big. Because we say a man who in our country who wasn't in army is man with small. Yes. President is coming. He will arrive soon. President of Latvia. Mēs runājam ar citiem cilvēkiem. Šodien viņi saka, ka ir ļoti daudz vīri, kas, kā jūs saucat, dara ar citu vīri. And they are coming. Yo, I don't sell crack. I don't sell crack, nigga. Kā jūs saucat šitas vīrus?
Ko tad?
Mīlestība.
Mīlestību? Ko mīlestību?
Vīrs, kurš dara mīlestību ar citu vīru.
Ar citu vīru? Tas nav manā galvā.
They come, they have many patriots. They come, and now we ask them who they are. We can come with them.
We are coming there, yes.
You are patriots. Come.
We are nationalists, patriots.
Can
yes.
we come with?
Yes, no.
We're
no
from
problem.
Hungary.
Oh, Hungary.
Yeah, can
okay.
we? I like Latvia. I have a sister here.
Okay,
She
no
can,
problem.
yeah. Yeah. So you know this pop singer Rihanna?
Yeah, yes, I know.
Yes. She was in our festival last year and we all laugh. You know why? You know why?
No.
Because Rihanna in Hungarian language it means prostitute. and when she come to the stage, she say, "I'm Rihanna." We all laugh like I'm prostitute. Jā. Visi kopā. Jā. Sieviete un vīrs.
Nu, bet Dievs jau tāpēc cilvēku radīja, lai vīrietis būtu kopā ar sievieti un sievieti ar vīrieti.
Jā,
Pareizi, ne?
bet viņi dara festivālu, mēs esam
Nu, es saprotu.
šitie, jā. Is it true? I read this website today. They say Latvian government want to bring aliens and they do these lamps like signals. It was this what site it was you show me Delphi? Yes, they say they make signs all across the town to aliens from space see and bring power. Is it true?
No, I don't know. First time I heard this.
Yes, because it's very bad signal. Maybe they want to start a war. Yes, I don't know.
Nu, jābūt patriotam,
Jā.
ja tu dzīvo savā zemē. Nu, ja pamet zem, tad jau tas nav patriots, bet es domāju, jā, katram valsts iedzīvotājam vajadzētu būt patriotam.
Jā, mēs Ungārijā sākam cilvēks, kā nav patriots. Viņš ir kā cilvēks, kas ir šitais vīrs, kurš tāra mīlestību ar citu vīru. Tas ir ļoti slikti. Mēs tā sākam par viņu. And you know Erno Rubik?
What?
Erno Rubik, his name. The scientist. Erno Rubik from Hungary.
No.
He invented a Rubik's Cube. We're very proud. Every people I see, I tell it to them. They must know that we have this. It is very good. We like. It's very proud to us. And you have maybe some scientist in Latvia.
I don't know. We have, but I don't remember.
King, you are king, and you are Daini.
Dainis.
What?
Dainis.
Dainis. And remember me?
No.
Miloš.
Miloš.
And tell your friends about me. I'm very strong. I'm too sexy. I have big ham. I'm too sexy. I'm too sexy. I'm too sexy. Yeah. So we learn a lot about freedom in Latvia. We see many boys who are patriots, who are not these bad guys. It was the best day of my life. Dzień dobry.